Watch this amazing cheese pull. So satisfying. Crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside. You have dogs. Perfect for any party. Let's make delicious homemade mini tacos. Sauté the onions. Brown the juicy beef. These mini tacos are the ultimate party snack. Crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside. You have to try this recipe. First, we'll pour in the warm milk. Then, sprinkle the active yeast. Now, we mix it into a soft dough. Watch this amazing cheese pull. So satisfying, crispy, and absolutely delicious. This is the ultimate mini smash burger. Super juicy with a perfect cheese pull. You have to try this viral recipe. Crush digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. Pour melted butter. Mix until evenly coated. Spoon crumbs into cups. Press firmly using a spoon. Add cheese and sugar. Whisk until perfectly smooth. First, we slice. Then, we dice. Mix them up, it looks so nice. Pipe the cream and make it sweet. This truly is the perfect treat. Share and enjoy. Melt your butter. Add the mini sausages. Season them and turn until golden brown. Treat yourself to the ultimate mini hot dogs. Perfect for any party.